How's it going? This is David, your representative for QSP Knife. We have the Reptile here. This is going to be in two different price points. So either you can get the aluminum handled or the G10 variant. So two different ways to go. There's a Keanu Alfaro design. So either $79 on these guys or $75 on this side of things. 14C28N for the blade steel. And then you have two different finishes as well. So you can either go with basically any of the number ones are going to be with basically a two-tone satin, as well as a stonewash. So it has a stonewash on the base, and then these two are different satin directions. So you do have that one, and also you have the black. It's going to be the black is the titanium nitride coating. It's done really well for us, so we keep it around and actually use it. So it turned out to be very durable from experience with all the other knives that were created. So that's the titanium nitride coating. So weight-wise, it's going to be about 3.8 ounces for the aluminum version, 3.5 for the G10. So either one you want to go with on that. It also is going to be a little bit larger than the Penguin. So you're going to see right here for the Penguin. So kind of tail to tail. So you have a little bit more space on the Reptile. And also you'll notice now for the show side of things, you don't have any pocket clip locations. So the reason for that is you have it on the tail cap. So basically now this is going to be where the pocket clip is. So right or left hand carry, you can just swap it right around, and then you're not going to have any pocket screw holes or any clip covers or anything like that. So it is on one of the other knives that we had for the Vault. So this is going to be the Vault. So this is kind of a reverse tuxedo. So there's going to be the same type of pocket clip that's going to be on that one, and really cool material too. So we have this material, which is that clear G10 with aluminum, and we also have a clear G10 with copper. So it adds a lot of depth to it. So we really like it a lot. Different design language for it. So with that Reptile, and then it's going to have a good clip point blade. So it's going to be able to do all the tasks that you need for it. It's going to be a little bit wider for the blade, but you do have it where it tapers down for that tip, so you'll be able to do some detail cutting as well. And then you also do have that jimping back here on the spine to be able to lock right in there. So it does work out very well for that. Going to have a lot of space for it as well. Going to have the same triangle pivot for the quality, service, price for each one of the points on that triangle, but that's going to be the A1, A2, so there's going to be A1, A2, B1, B2, and then C1 and C2. Pick it up directly from the website if you want to for QSPKnife.com, or check out any of the dealers for that. It's going to be about a 1/2 inch for the body. So basically now for the body width is about a 1/2 inch. So it's going to be able to do pretty well for that, but it is very much a deep carry clip, so it's going to be able to drop right into your pocket, and again doesn't have any of those screw holes or anything else on that show side. Whichever side that will be, right hand, left hand, very ambidextrous with that type of lock for the Glyde lock system, so it's going to be able to suit either person no matter which way you want to carry it. So check that out, QSPKnife.com or any of our dealers.